I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to find your SteamID using both the Steam desktop client and the mobile app. Your SteamID is a unique 17-digit number that stays with your account forever, even if you change your display name or custom URL. First, we'll walk through how to find your SteamID using the Steam desktop client. Step 1. Open the Steam desktop application and then click your username in the top right corner of the screen to open a drop-down menu. Step 2. Select Account Details in the list of options. Your Steam account screen is displayed. Step 3. Look at the very top of this page just below your account name. You will see your SteamID listed as a 17-digit number. You can highlight this number and copy it to your clipboard. Now let's look at how to find your SteamID using the Steam mobile app. Step 1. Open the Steam app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap Account Details near the bottom of the menu. Your SteamID will be displayed at the very top of the page directly underneath your username. To copy it, simply long press on the numbers and select Copy. Also, if you have set a custom URL like steamcommunity.com/ID/Max Dalton, your 17-digit ID won't appear in your profile link. If a website asks for your ID and your custom link isn't working, the account details page mentioned in the steps above is the only place to find that raw 17-digit number. And finally, you can also use a third-party tool like SteamID.io. Simply paste your custom profile link into their search bar and it will instantly decode it to show you your 17-digit SteamID. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.